What up, everybody? This is part 5 or 6, one of those. Friend Travis, we actually made it to a spot. We couldn't make it to Mountain Jesus. It was too deep. And we got some...
Too steep.
Yeah, it's steep and deep and stuff like that. And our tires are pretty bald. Hopefully, next spring we'll have something that'll be successful. I think this kind of looks like a creepy forest, right? Just
it's not creepy. It's awesome.
It's awesome, but like imagine if all the trees or leaves were on it and everything.
It's even more awesome.
Yeah. Take some screenshots. I think I see a moving animal down there, but I'm not 100% sure. And no, not talking.
Man-bear pig?
Man-bear pig. So this guy believes in a man-bear pig. And there goes my notifications again. Oh, look what I just found.
Yep.
Looks like I just found a pistol casing.
Bunch of them.
Oh, wow. This one came from a whole different one. Holy cow. Oh my god.
I know, they're everywhere up here.
Dude, this is crazy. Look, there's like broken glass and...
Yep.
Look, dude, there's even... Oh my god, bigger casings.
Yeah.
This is crazy, dude.
Yeah,
Who doesn't pick up their shell case? Okay. If anybody's watching this and you shoot like guns for fun, I want to tell you something. Littering is not okay. Pick up your shells afterwards. This is like intensely dangerous for the environment. Because either no, they pop out and you say, oh, it's just metal. You can recycle the metal and stuff. And also, there's still gunpowder dust. Like, it's still very little, but there's still gunpowder dust, and it is toxic. So, animals can swallow them up. And, yeah, oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. This is stupid crazy. Look at this.
Yeah.
Right here, just a big old pile.
Yep, you can see the meadow. Like my nephew, he was super excited. He picked up a whole bag of them.
Oh my gosh, look at this. They're buried.
Yeah.
Here, hold this. And just point it. Look at this. Silver one.
Copper, quit crying.
As I said, like, guys, like, if you shoot guns, pick up your bullets afterwards.
He's right. He's right.
This is dangerous for the environment because there's still, like, very little gunpowder in there, and it's toxic. Animals can swallow them. It's a good thing I'm a bullet collector, otherwise I would have called the cops, but to me this is kind of a hobby. But at the same time, like, come on, people. Listen, like, this is too much.
Your hands aren't going to warm up for days.
I know, right? Well, I'm doing it for the environment, so.
Alright, well now I feel bad. I gotta pick up a couple. I've picked up tons up here.
Oh, this is shows me the ground. Oh, there we go. Do you have a bag?
Your pocket.
My pocket, yeah. I think it's gonna fill up pretty soon. Man, look at all these.
Yep.
I'll go ahead and take the camera back now. Alright, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short because I want to get as much blood as I can. I just don't think it's right. Everybody enjoy your day. This concludes four-wheeling, hiking, and yodeling part 5 or 6. I'll clarify in the words in the description below. Have a good day.